Dictation starts in 5 seconds. Start. The appellant, original accused, has preferred this appeal to challenge the judgment and conviction order passed against him by the learned additional sessions judge Dinshoshi in Sessions Case number 38 of 2013. The appellant is convicted for the offense punishable under Section 302 of Indian Penal Code and sentenced to suffer imprisonment for life, to pay fine of rupees 5,000, in default to suffer simple imprisonment for 6 months. The appellant is also convicted for offense under Section 392, read with Section 397 of IPC, and sentenced to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 7 years and to pay fine of rupees 2,000, in default to suffer simple imprisonment for 3 months. Para. The prosecution case unfold as under. First informant Chetan Ben is a daughter of deceased Nirmala. She was running a sugarcane juice stall near In Orbit Mall. She was residing with her mother at room number 8, Nemani Chal, Mumbai. Informant used to visit her juice center at 11:30 am and used to return home at 11:30 pm. Sometimes she used to return home for lunch. Para. On 4th November 2014, at about 11:30 pm, informant went to her shop. She did not visit her house for lunch. At the relevant time, one Mr. Kalli was worked with informant. He used to clean sugarcane at her residence and then used to bring it in the shop. At 4:30 pm, informant called her mother and asked her whether the servant Mr. Kalli had proceeded to the shop. Her mother replied that the work is not completed and hence Mr. Kalli may stay for some time and then he will attend the shop. On the same night at about 9:30 pm to 9:50 pm, informant gave calls to her mother, but there is no reply from her. Para. Ultimately, at 11:30 pm, informant went to her house. The door of her house was closed, but it was not latched from inside. She opened the door and found her mother lying in the pool of blood. Knife was pierced in her chest and there was deep injury on her neck. Informant removed the knife and threw the same in the room.